Discretion advised.
But you know me by a different, much older name. A name perhaps you'd hoped you'd never hear again. A phantom, a shadow of a former life. I am Dave!
He did that? Chalupa. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's the Taco Bell dog. I haven't comped him, but I gave $1 for him. Anything to a seal like that. This is a fanny pack. I got this for Man Mountain Link because I know he needs a fanny pack when he's running around Tennessee. The other one I got, and she had a lot of Disney stuff with tags still on it, but they wanted $1 a piece, and I just wasn't sure about it, and I didn't take the time to comp it. I was tired.
In Walgreens, that's me in the mirror. Hey, got some Harry Potter jelly beans, 19 cents a pack. 6 packs they're selling for about $10. And I'm fixing to look this up. See if it's worth anything. It's not a whole lot here, to tell you the truth about it. Or what's here, I can't make a profit on, I should say. Nix. Where have I heard that name before? We're in Walgreens, folks, and we're still looking for clearance items to resell on eBay. I really haven't found much, but we was up here a week or so ago, and we couldn't make any money at the original price. But now they're down to $2.50 a piece. They got 2 left. We're going to take them both.
Markings on the floor near the checkouts. Thank you for helping us look out for each other during this time.
Y'all stay safe. See if we can find some more money. It's a cheap little Dollar Tree something or another. I don't understand why it was $18. It's a nothing. It's absolutely nothing. Well, this was unexpected, and this is why it's important you always keep an inventory. Look at this. This is my store, and it's closed. What happened, girls? This is horrible. This feels like the end of an era. I might fucking cry. This is horrible. You can see where the flood water came in and left. Well, I can't even, it's stuck so hard you can't even get it up. But, so they're giving stuff away. Been giving it away for days. I found a little bit, and I want to look a little bit more. But, yeah, this is really bad. They're moving across town, so hopefully they'll be alright. So, how much would you take if everything was free? I filled a cart up. I'm not going through the clothes. Here she comes with something else. Oh no. I wonder if it flooded out the Ray of Hope too. I don't see any, because here's the river, creek, spring, whatever you want to call it. I didn't see any debris in the parking lot. I knew it had flooded up here. I just didn't realize that it had actually affected anything that mattered to me. As with most people, it doesn't matter until it matters to me. So, oh, cop. He said cop. So anyway, I thought we'd ride up here and take a look at the store they're going to be moving into. I don't know if anybody has any experience with thrift stores and thrift stores moving, but I'll tell you what happens. As a general rule, the prices increase. Whoop, get on my side of the road. So, yeah, we're kind of afraid that's what's going to happen. And when I say we, of course, I just mean me. Oh, where's the street at? Jesus. This store hasn't been a store for so long, they have remarked the street so there's no turn in. But this is going to be it. See, there's already somebody pulling up there, loading up the stuff. This is the old Piggly Wiggly, and for about 3 seconds it was a baseball thing. Let's see if I can get out of here without getting run over. Everybody seems to be pulling in, apparently using this as a shortcut. Can't believe I forgot to mention the Pikes Peak coffee cup. I think that's the real gold leaf. Ain't gonna swear to it. It's got the Colorado flag, Pikes Peak elevation 14,000 feet. No stir marks, no chips, no dents, no dings, and it was free. So thought it was worth picking up for free. What do you think, Tab? I got all this stuff for free. So let's go over it real quick. I haven't looked anything up, just now got it down. Got 4 hats, 3 of them's vintage, and the one that's not vintage is about bucking bulls. So I figured that might be something for free. Like I said, there's coax cables, RCA jacks. There's a monster cable. There's a scrap brass. There's a brass bell. There's some shoelaces. There's a vintage computer speakers or computer ink. There's soap. I'm not even sure what that is. There's a Dell power supply. There's some other power supplies with odd ends. A case for a Nano that they haven't made in 20 years. Chargers for phones. Batteries for phones they ain't made in 20 years. Phones ain't made in 20 years. The books and the CDs on an old Dell. Some kind of virtual reality, something or another. A bunch of iron-on patches. Phone cords from back when phones had cords. Phone chargers. Earbuds. USB cables. Samsonite. They take the wrinkles out of clothes. Headphones. Coax cable. All the chargers and crap that I've been digging through for the past 6 months. But now they're free, so I don't have to pay for them or sit there and try to look them up. I can take them home. That one's for a Kodak camera. That might be worth something. And now I have the time to sit there and go through them one by one and pick out the ones that are worth $5, $10. And that's basically all I'm going to have into it with some of my time. So, yeah. Not a lot, but again, they had been giving away stuff for 3 days. So this is the scraps of the scraps of the scraps. And I still think I got a little bit of money there. Even found one Maxell tape there, still new in the package. So, appreciate you coming along with me today. I wish the news had been better. But until next time, this is Man Mountain Link. Checking out. Oh, if your name is Chip and you're a relatively thin man, get in touch with me.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Oh, that's terrible. Yeah, it is. It really is.